Today we are going to look at fitting a Warmflow Agentis internal flue. What's included and how to fit them. This is our FPF balanced internal flue for all Warmflow Agentis internal boilers. What's included in the terminal kit: starter assembly and locking band, black dresser, white dresser, flexi air hose, terminal guard, flue thermostat and air hose accessories. Step 1. Remove the appropriate casing cutout panel by using snips and deburr the edges. Ensure the gasket is placed correctly, then fit the boiler adapter using the 4 nuts. Lubricate the seals and then insert the starter assembly. Lubricate and fit the flue terminal and measure the excess length. Step 5. Remove the terminal, cut the excess length off the outer pipe of the terminal, cut the excess off the inner pipe, leaving the same proportions between the inner and outer. Lubricate and refit the terminal, ensuring the correct orientation. With the flue in place, the 4 to 5 millimeter gap, undo your clip, the lip, raised nip goes in the gap, just simply slide it through. Hook to the top, pinch it together, slide the clip across, and that's it complete.